All right, since I noticed in the pandemic, a lot of menus are actually PDF, and then I want to design like a more HTML version, so I created this. So let's view it full page. So it looks like this, and then it'll shrink, so the viewport is like a cell phone, be like that. So works out fine. All right, let's go into the code. It's very simple. Let's view it to editor. So this is the code. You just fork it, click fork. So this is like stars, like the CSS for the entire page. Google Fonts, the body, Poppin, sans serif, the wrapper. I made the width 75%, the image to 100%, 60 pixels, transform or capitalize text right here, title H4 right here. So each one's capital text, capitalized. Font size 36 pixels, relative block. But it won't work on like 2K, so I might have to consider to maybe M's or something. So I gotta read more on. Maybe I do more work. I think it's fine. See, most people are not that big, but we have to take account of larger size cell phones though. Let's go on desktop. It's pretty small. It's all right. That's a viewport at 720. There should be a breaking point. That's good enough. You can fix it yourself when doing code. It's like 1080p, on computer. It's fine. Let's see. So this is the structure. The first div is class menu. Then the next div is class single menu. Class single menu. So the flex spaces is 80 pixels, 40 pixels, and then padding is 40 pixels. 1 pixel solid DD. So right there. Let's do that. Do a menu. All right, let's create like two more menu items. Two more. So let's copy the code for single menu. So this goes with that div. Hold on. Let's see. Let's go with this div. Yeah. The wrapper. Let me see the mix. Copy. Paste. Paste. Should be two more items on the bottom. Yeah. Like that. It'll be two more items. It'll be 8 items now. 8 items in your menu. Oh, I also gotta create a drink menu. There's something else. This is good enough for start. I'll work on that later. So yeah, you can just fork it. I'm not explaining to do. So I'll show you how to. You gotta make sure divs go with the divs. So let's open up a CMD. So make the touch. That's HTML. Touch CSS. Style CSS. Boom. No. Code dot. That's open. There we go. Boom. Styles right here. Yeah, connect the style sheet. Let's copy and paste style. So let's go in here. Control A, Max Payne Jack, because I don't teach anymore. It's been a while. Save. HTML. Copy. Paste. It's more indent. Make the whole thing indent. Cool. Let's call this guy. Okay, let's insert the CSS. The viewport's in already. CSS. Style CSS. W3 schools. Let's see how they do it. I forgot. Oh wow. It's like this. Copy this code right here. Let's change this to boom. Control S, Control S. Let's preview this. Cool. Works. That's good. That's really good. Well, this viewport doesn't shrink, but it's good enough. And then there's like a 1080p, like on desktop, it like that. On cell phone, if it shrinks down, it'll look like that. So it's good enough. If you have like menu items, just straight scroll down, look at it, and then be 250 pixels. I'll leave the code down below. I didn't explain much. And they're just copy and pasting code from my code, playing around with it. Let's stop. So I'll leave the link down below for the HTML files and the CodePen CSS so you can like look at it and learn from it. This is not a tutorial. This is like, you should know basic HTML, CSS. Like, yeah, know how like this is like a class dot menu, put the bracket, this is CSS, it's HTML. It's really easy stuff. So I don't do front end that much anymore. And there's like color, border bottom. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I hope you can play with the code and learn from it. All you gotta study is like classes, div, and this like styles the element, like so the element goes left to right, up, down. So yeah.